Hey there, I'm Kato. Some of you who have been following my journey might be wondering, Kato, what are you doing in Las Vegas, Nevada? You have already been to Nevada. You have already had your burger in Nevada. So I had a 6-hour layover in Las Vegas airport, and I asked the airline, there was an earlier flight, if they can put me on that one, and they said if I want to be on that flight I have to pay a $99 change ticket fee. So I was like, instead of paying them $99, why don't I go into the city, Las Vegas, onto the strip and see how much food I can get and eat for $99. Let's hit the strip and see what I can get for $99. The burger I got was called UK Burger. It came with Dubliner cheese, major graze, mango chutney, and arugula. Overall, the burger was okay. It wasn't like, it was a juicy burger. The bread almost looked like it was like fake. It had this really shiny top bun of the burger. But overall, it was just an okay burger. The cost of this burger was $17.99. The other thing I got here at Gordon Ramsey, and I have actually been wanting to try this for such a long time, and that is called sticky toffee pudding ice cream sandwich, and the cost of this was $10.99. I don't know, I was really disappointed by this dessert. I was just disappointed. I did not like it. It was just like the ice cream tasted okay, and as far as the toffee pudding, I think it was a miss for me. I was not at all satisfied with this dessert. Even though it is a Gordon Ramsay restaurant, you know, I don't know how much of a say Gordon Ramsay himself has in the cooking that goes in these restaurants and how these dishes are cooked, and I was not really satisfied with this dessert. Burger was okay, but it wasn't anything out of this world or anything really good, you know. Next up, I went to Dirt Dog, and over here I got like a Mexican style corn. So I asked if I can have the corn in a cup, but they just left it on the cob. So that was also, I was a little bit disappointed, but it's gonna have corn. It's gonna come topped with hot Cheetos, Takis dust, lime mayo, chipotle aioli, and cilantro. I did not see any hot Cheetos unless they're also going to have the Cheetos dust, like, you know, grind up the Cheetos and dust them on there. So I did not see any Cheetos, but everything else was there. Also here at Dirt Dog, the deep fried Oreo. It comes two per order. So I got 2 deep fried Oreos. They come with horchata, whipped cream, and Oreos were also okay. I wouldn't say it is like a must try. They are just okay. I went to a drink shop. The name of it is Sugar Factory, and the drink I got here was called Fuzzy Peach Penguin Mango Goblet, and it is designed and tested by the singer Pitbull. Now I got the non-alcoholic version of this drink. There were other drinks designed by other celebrities. I asked, like, they made this, like, whatever goes into the drink, they came up with it? The answer to that is no. The way it works is if you get that drink and you want the alcoholic version, all of those celebrities, they have their own brand of alcohol. So if you say, oh, you want that drink, they will use that celebrity's alcohol and add it to this drink. This thing costed $40, and plus, you know, you have to add the tip and taxes, so it came out to be $51.35. I would say 90% of it is ice, and then the rest they have some dry ice in there, gives it that smoke bubbles when they're pouring it. And then also, you know, depending on what flavor you get, some peach juice, some mango puree, and some citrus soda into it. So they put like candies into the drink, and also there's like candy decoration outside of the drink. I think because a lot of celebrities endorse this brand, this company, I think that is the reason why it's so expensive. And they always have these shops in touristy areas, so that is why they're able to charge these ridiculous prices. But overall, like, this is also, it is just an experience. As far as the taste of the drink, I don't think it's even worth anywhere close to $51.35. $51.35 for this drink, I think it's a little bit expensive for most people. If you never end up trying a drink at Sugar Factory, I think you'll be just fine. I tried it for you, so I'm letting you know it is just an okay drink. It is nothing out of this world. It is just an experience, and it is just an experience. That's it. But it is a very, very expensive experience. That's it. That was my $100 challenge in Las Vegas. You know, I was able to go to 3 different restaurants, and plus my transportation. I had only, like, my layover is 6 hours, but you know, going to the airport, coming back to the airport, going through security, I literally only had maybe 3 to 4 hours to go to these restaurants. So if you plan it more, I think for $100 in Las Vegas, you can get a lot more food than what I got. But since I was short on time and I was trying to spend $100, I had to do it quickly. But I think $100 can, and especially if you go away from the strip, you can get a lot more food for $100 than what I ended up getting. So if you guys have done anything like this, where you've gone into a city and just wanted to spend $100 and see how much food you can get, please let me know in the comment section below. But this is it for now. I will see you guys in my next state. Till then, take care. Goodbye.